19 1/4.
Woo! Oh, give it to oh, jeez. Hey everybody, before the fishing starts, I just thought I'd let you know I was able to hand deliver the rod and reel to the winner of the FisherMN 1000 subscriber giveaway. I've also heard from Casey and Mike. Thanks so much for everybody who entered the contest. Stay tuned to FisherMN. We're still working on those watch hours. Keep watching FisherMN. When I do finally get monetized, I'm going to share my first YouTube check with one of you. Stay tuned. Keep watching. More details to come about that. On to the fishing. All right, back at it. Spot number 2 with my buddy Paul. We have had a great day of fishing already. We were at a lake this morning. Caught some nice northern. Paul's up ahead of me. We are fishing the river now for some late season smallmouth bass. Hoping to get a couple of the fall tanks. It's been good in the past. Every year is different. Usually throwing these rapalas right behind some structure. That's breaking the current a little bit. Has been successful. Let's see what we can do. Fish on! Skunk's out of the boat. First smallie of the day. There we go. Alright, more to come, more to come.
This looks fishy. Make a good cast. Hooked up. This is a big one. Really big one.
Can I get a front shot of it?
If I can get him off the hook, he is devoured. This thing is ultimately hooked. I don't know how to get it out of here.
Did you get it?
19 1/4.
Oh, give it to oh, jeez. You okay?
Yeah. Do you mind taking it and see if you can get it out of there? I wasn't having any luck. Get it? Nice job. That's what the river's all about, baby.
The first one's always kind of a cluster, but having a branch break, that's a little bonus. All right, so first big fish, Paul's got it. 19 1/4 inch smallmouth. Long and lean river. All right, so we got some fish that are working in this area. Just working the shores. The fish are looking for current breaks. Oh, there we go. There's the fish. Little guy. He T-boned it though. There we go. Chunky fall smallmouth. All right, purple, pretty good. Let's try another color. Got an Ott's Garage. Shallow diving crankbait. Fish on. A little guy. Hey, pretty soon mine will add up to 19. I just changed. I put a more natural color on. Oh! This guy came up for it. It was tangled on the surface and he came up and smashed it. A little better one. Thank goodness for rubber nets. All right, great fish. A little switch over to this Ott's Garage shallow diving crankbait. A little bit more of a natural color. So far so good. That shows how aggressive they are right now, because that was right on top of the water and that thing came up and smashed it. We're pretty protected from the wind, or the wind's, oh, there we go. Whew. Hey. All right. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Big old river smallie. Even gave us a couple of jumps. 55-degree water. So Paul and I came out here last year about the same time of year, and the water was in the 40s, if not low 40s. So what a difference even just a few degrees makes.
This one showed me where he was. Nice guy. That's 7.1 feet here. There we go. It's fighting. Sling it in? Oh, maybe not. I'll count it. I saw the leader. Probably about a 14. Yep. Fish on. That's a better one. We'll net this guy. There we go. Whew. I'd say about 18 maybe. It's chunky. There we go. Nice fat fall smallie. There's a big one. It's not huge, but it's nice. $18.25. Beautiful. There we go. $17 and a half. It's where it's rocky up there, you can cast. I let it bounce on the rocks, and that they're drilling it right on the bottom.
Yeah.
Like out a little ways. There we go. This feels like it could be an all right one. Could be. It's not far off a 20. He's a hair under 20.
Oh.
He doesn't quite make 20.
19 and 3/4 quarters. Here, let me get up a little closer.
19 and 7/8.
Finding some fall giants. Paul is tearing it up. He's got a great limit going. I'm getting a lot of action. Got a couple of big ones, but a lot of little ones. Do you know what? In October in Minnesota, catching smallies. What could be better?
There we go. It's a limit. It's not a huge one, but it's a limit. 16 and a quarter.
My boat said, nope, I'm not turning the other way.
Beauty. Oh geez, that one about went in the boat.
Wow.
Feisty guy. This one will make good for a good limit. This is a call fish. 18 and a half. That was a feisty one. There's a fish. Oh yeah. That's a big one.
Let's keep this one on. Got a big one on. I'm guessing probably 20. Can I use your measure? It's a thick one too. Yeah, this thing just creamed it. Something almost jumped out of the water for one first. 20. All right, fall fatty, let's go. Light's going away. We got to get some more in the boat. I think you're right about that rock area. And right where the rocks drop off. Probably what you were doing over here.
17.
Why does the sun have to go down? Man, what a day. There we go. Should we sling it in? I'm gonna sling it in. All right. How about another nice fish? There we go. Chunky fish in the glow of the fish finder light. Great day of fishing. Getting a couple more casts in. What an amazing day. Here with my buddy Paul. You probably can't see him way up there. Might not even be able to see my hand. It's getting dark. But we had a great day out here on the river. Late fall. And I'm going to put Paul's total up here because he had an amazing day. I hit a 20-incher, which is always a great day, and lots of other fish, but I'm so happy for Paul. He's a river guy, and his Mississippi spot hasn't been accessible to him this year. So happy to have him out on the river catching fish. Last year, check this out, I might have some footage. Around the same time, we had a great day on the river, but we also had 60-degree weather. This morning, it's 25. It's cold. Yeah, I just told everybody there's only one other person in Minnesota crazy enough to be out here, and here's Paul, everybody. And we were out here, and it's probably the coldest I've ever been fishing, and we caught nothing. We didn't even get a bite. The only bite we got was going to the buffet after, which was fun, but nice to come out here today and catch some fish. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.